welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about this video for today because I'm going to be trying the 5-minute makeup challenge, which, I mean, I don't do my makeup in 5 minutes, so this will be a challenge, which I'm excited for. The thing I do want to say about this video is I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to be trying reading some of my old blog posts while I do my makeup. So if that's something that you're into, or if it's something that you hate, just let me know, because obviously this is a community. This is a community of people that want to watch something specific, and I want to deliver that. So yeah, just let me know. I'm gonna grab a timer so that I'm not cheating. I have cheated a little bit and I've already done my eyebrows, but like honestly, I couldn't do this without cheating a little and doing my eyebrows first. They're so important to me and I feel like they really frame my face. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I cheated, I had to. Guys, I'm literally getting my foundation in hand. Have my timer right here all ready for 5 minutes. I'm pushing start now. The blog post that I chose to read today is an unpublished one. It's called I Know, Sweet Soul. I know you are trying, sweet soul. You try and you try. You get knocked down. You pick yourself up and you try again. I know it often feels that the world is spinning so fast, but you are standing still. It feels like everyone is moving, but you're stuck in sinking sand. Sinking so far in the sand that now it's entering your lungs. And you can't breathe. I know, sweet soul, but you are spinning too, silently, effortlessly, radiating the night sky, like a star that can't see its own brightness. Like a rare gem at the bottom of the ocean, not found, undiscovered beauty of the world. Always becoming more with the magnetic pull of the moon on the ocean tides, silently crushing it against other rocks, shaping and polishing it. Constantly moving the gem where it's meant to be, not always where it wants to be. The gem always becoming more beautiful and defined in itself with each crashing wave. You've been putting yourself out there so much, sweet soul, and maybe your efforts are paying off. Sometimes the future can be hard to see from your current position. I know you often feel broken down and incomplete, but sweet soul, you are perfect. You need to be patient. Trust that everything is aligning to your dreams. Trust in yourself. To think everything, including all people and objects, should be in their perfect spot to align with your dreams right now is crazy. You are always becoming more, dreaming more. Your possibilities are endless, sweet soul. Here are a few things that I've told myself over the years. The world moves on. Even when you don't, destiny precedes himself. What you are going through is necessary. Nothing you do is without meaning. Even in your darkest days, they are meant to be. I will never be her. One of my favorite quotes. To me, it means the only person I can be is myself. So stop kicking yourself down when you aren't the person he is looking for, or you aren't right for the job. If you aren't ready to write the end of a story, don't. Just put it away for now. Take a break. If something is truly meant to be, it will be. The further you get from where you started, the closer you get to the truth. Closure is mandatory in any major life event that you are going through. The tricky thing about closure is you are the only one that can tell when you are ready for it. Sometimes you have to find your own way to find closure. Not everyone is going to give that to you. Things will fall into place with time. Don't let time rule you. Trust that someone is rooting for you. You will end up where you need to be. Yes, even if you get lost for a while. Not everyone starts out successful from birth or is just like super lucky. Sometimes you go through periods where you're just kind of stagnant and you're not really being successful. But that's not to say that you are not growing and developing in the way that you need to. Struggle can really define you. Success isn't always measured by job titles. Everyone's life is different, and you truly do not know your path because things can change at any second. I believe we are all built and structured through life events to handle anything that's thrown at us. Everyone is destined for greatness. Pay attention to the ones you still think about months later, for it's the message they brought to you or the way they made you feel that you're craving. Sometimes people have a way of sparking something fantastic in us that we never saw before. They elevate a part of you to a level you didn't even know was possible. But that's not them, it's you. They're opening your eyes to a part of you that already existed inside. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to understand me more. It's like hope runs through my veins. Even though love is shitty and life is hard, even in my darkest hours and loveless nights, I want to give you something to believe in. This video and blog is in hopes that your day will be a little brighter and that you will learn to shine even brighter than before. There's beauty in all darkness. Let me be the one that you believe in. Right guys, my timer just went off. This is the finished look. It's really simple. I really focused on just overall making sure my complexion was all even. I focused on bronzing, just adding a little bit to the eyes and focusing most of my time on making sure my lips looked good and making sure my mascara was good, as well as just making sure that base was really good and set for the day. I really hope that this quick and easy look inspires you to play with makeup more and maybe inspires you to try a little bit of extra things every so often in your makeup look. Makeup to me just helps me feel really beautiful all day long, and I really hope that this can be passed on to you. I really would love to be a part of your life and making you or helping you really feel beautiful every single day. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channels. I try to make new videos every week. My next video, I'm hoping to make a how I bleached my hair video. If that's something that you want to see, give this video a like. That's going to tell me that you like what I'm doing and you want to see more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.